Well, I hope you enjoyed the weather today because...
Yeah, big changes are on the way. It was beautiful this afternoon. We hit the 80s out there, and it's been a really pleasant evening as well. Right now, we're looking at 61 degrees still here in Austin. By early tomorrow morning, temperatures will dip into the 50s, but we'll also see our cloud cover return. Early tomorrow, there's also the possibility with some of that low-level moisture working its way back in, that dense fog could be an issue. So if you're heading out early in the day, make sure to give yourself a little extra time, especially from Austin and then areas east and south. By noon, though, the clouds begin to break and temperatures warm up quickly again. We'll hit 70 by the noon hour. Right now, temperatures have dropped a little colder in the hill country. It's 49 in Mason, low 50s in places like Llano, Burnett, still mid-50s in Georgetown, and 60s as you head east. We have a very weak front stretched right across our area that have allowed temperatures out to our west cool off a little bit. They also have pretty clear skies out there, so temperatures tend to cool faster in those sort of situations. Right now, clear skies at Camp Mabry, 61 degrees. Same out at the airport, and winds have turned to the north just briefly, though. They'll be between about 15 miles an hour for the next little bit here. There's that weak front that has drifted across central Texas this evening, pushing all of our wet weather out to our east. That's what we saw early this morning. We're going to see this cloud cover increasing, though. So as temperatures become steadier towards the early morning hours, we'll also see some of that patchy fog developing. And the upper levels of the atmosphere, this is the system that brought us the overnight rain to much of East Texas and then into Louisiana as well. That moves out. Then we see a trough of low pressure, stronger system rolling in from the west by early Tuesday. This is going to push a front into central Texas early Tuesday morning and bring us a chance for rain. Now, at the same time this is happening and we're seeing this chance for precipitation, we're also watching a strong area of much colder air working its way in from the north. So early Tuesday morning, the front rolls in, brings us a chance for rain. Then that colder air starts to seep in as well. And by Wednesday, it becomes entrenched over much of central Texas. Our temperatures are going to be very similar to our first Arctic cold system that rolled in a couple weeks ago, even a little bit colder in some areas. Temperatures overnight dropping into the teens, even low 20s. We'll also see afternoon highs in the 30s and 40s for both your Wednesday, Thursday, and for the first part of Friday as well with this Arctic system. You don't want to put away your winter coats just yet. Now let's go hour by hour through your forecast so we can talk about how the precipitation will affect us on Tuesday. Tonight, we'll see increasing cloud cover, fog by early tomorrow morning, especially dense in some areas, low-lying areas especially. Through the afternoon hours, though, partly to mostly cloudy skies, temperature-wise pleasant tomorrow afternoon, back into the 70s. But by Monday night, the cloud cover increases. That front moves closer, brings us our chance for rain starting right around 2 a.m. in the hill country. By the time you wake up and you want to get going to work, 6 a.m. here in the Austin area, we'll see light to moderate shower activity. You notice it stays in the rain format, a rain form, a liquid form early on Tuesday morning. Colder air out over the panhandle brings some snow, some freezing precipitation there. And then there's the pink area here. That's a mixed precipitation. Rain changing to a wintry mix of some sort near the Dallas area. And by the time the colder air makes it here in central Texas, that rain will be moving out already. So we're going to see just rain here in the Austin area. That's what we're forecasting now. Areas to our north and to our west are going to see the possibility for some wintry weather. By Tuesday evening, though, that all clears out and the colder air really settles in. So we already have a winter storm watch in effect Monday night into Tuesday for much of West Texas. They're advising that travel conditions could be hazardous. So if you have plans to head that direction over the next couple of days, you might want to check ahead to check on the roads before you head out. Tonight, though, here's what you can expect. Increasing clouds, 58 degrees. Tomorrow morning, fog clearing by the afternoon, 77 your afternoon high. And here's that 7-day forecast. The temperatures on Tuesday starting out 54 degrees, dropping through the afternoon hours. That chance for rain is in the morning hours, ending before noon. Groundhog Day is Wednesday, starting out the day 23 degrees, even colder Thursday morning and Friday. Small system rolling through could bring us a chance for a little snow early in the